Mary, what is your Vietnamese name? Vietnamese name.
Is Jimmy.
Jimmy, okay. How old are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Oh my gosh. You always mix up with that, okay? How are you today? How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. How do you feel? Is it cold today or hot? Is it hot or cold today?
It's hot.
Hot. Okay, that's why. Can I see what are you wearing? Is this a sweater? Sweater only, yes, because it's not so cold. Are you ready for the speaking test, Mary? Okay, now let's start defining the differences. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the elephant.
The picture one, the elephant behind the trees. But in my picture two, the elephant in front of the trees. In picture one, the train is orange. But in picture two, the train is people,
Purple.
purple.
Next, the goose. In picture one,
In picture one,
goose
the moon
is on. Not goo, not goo. I told you many times, not goo. Again, in picture one,
in picture one, the goose is on the island.
but
But in picture two,
there isn't,
there isn't
or there hasn't,
the hazard
any goose
any goose in
on.
on island.
Okay, what about the octopus?
In picture one,
Octopus.
the octopus
Let's go.
has got the head.
What?
But in picture two, the octopus
Hasn't
hasn't got head. The picture one, the monkey is
the what?
the monkey is actually angry. But in picture two, the monkey is hamburger.
Okay.
In picture one, the three children.
There are
There are
three
three children
watching
watching
the
the
cloud.
crowd. But in picture two, the two
There
children.
are
There are two children, but the crowd watching crowd.
Okay, that's enough. So let's move on to the next part. Okay, next part is we will do exchange information. You will be Charlie and I will be Emma. Okay? You will ask me about Emma and I will ask you about Charlie's magazine. So you first ask me about Emma's magazine. Ready? Go. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mary. What is about Emma?
What's the name?
What is the name
What is the name?
of
Emma's
magazines?
magazine.
Again, say it again. What is the name
What
of?
is the name? Emma's.
Again, say it again.
What is the name? Emma's magazine.
What is the name of? What is the name of Emma's magazine? The name of Emma's magazine is New Faces. Next.
What is the name? Your Emma's magazine.
Emma's magazine is New Faces.
What about Emma's magazine?
What is Emma's magazine about?
What is Emma's magazine about?
It's about music. Next. What day?
What is
What day?
Emma's magazine
What is your question? What day?
What day Emma's magazine expensive?
Expensive? Where is it expensive? Oh, you can say, oh, is Emma's magazine expensive? 1, 2, 3, go.
What
Is not what? Is
is Emma's magazine expensive?
Emma's magazine is not expensive. Next, what day?
What day Great magazine?
Huh?
What day Emma's Great magazine?
Okay, what day does Emma get the magazine? She got the magazine last Friday.
Who buys magazine Emma?
Who buys Emma's magazine?
Who buys Emma's magazine?
Okay, her father bought her the magazine. Okay, next I'm going to ask you a question. Ready? Hello. Tell me, what is the name of Charlie's magazine? Charlie's magazine, what's the name? Hmm? What's the name of Emma's magazine? Charlie's magazine? Our Planet. Did you study, Mary? You cannot read well. Tell me what it's about, all about. What is all about? Can you tell me it's all about what? It's about animal. Okay. Is it expensive?
Yes,
Yes. Tell me, which day does Charlie got the magazine?
it's Tuesday.
Tuesday. And who bought for him?
His mother.
His mother. Okay. Let's move on to the last part. Mary, this is the hardest part. Are you ready? Okay. Okay. Tell me the story about the key. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sarah and her mom go to shopping. The mom
Can
can
find the key.
find the key. Sarah said, the window is window.
The window is open.
The window is open.
Why is the window is window? Okay, next. Her mom helps Sarah.
How Sarah go to the house. Sarah opened the door.
Her mom
Her mom
find
found the key in pocket.
in her
In her pocket. The Sarah and her mom is laugh.
that is Sarah and her mom laugh.
Sarah and her mom laugh.
Okay, remember is for one, okay? 1, 2. So do not use is. Sarah and her mom laugh. The end. Okay. That's the end of our speaking test. Oh my gosh, Mary. Alright, say goodbye to teacher.